Hello everyone, welcome to Education 24/7 channel. Dear friends, in this lecture we will cover rest of the part of NCERT class 6 chapter number 6 of geography, that is major landforms of the earth. Friends, lecture 1 has already been uploaded on the channel. You may go on the channel list and watch that video. If you are new on the channel, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment your questions and opinion on the comment box. Friends, in lecture 1, the first major landform, that is mountain, has already been covered in that lecture. Here we will cover plateau, plain and impact of natural landforms on human being. So firstly we will discuss about plateau. Dear friends, plateau is any natural elevation which has broad base on the upper side. This broad base we may call it table-like base. Friends, in your home you have already noticed about the shape of table. Suppose here this is table. What do you notice with this? You see that this is not a very thin or narrow peak, and the base is as same as the upper base, and the sides are two strip. So on the same way here, plateau is any natural elevation which has broad base or table like base on its upper face or upper base and very steep sides. Dear friends, the height of plateau are not more than mountains. Plateau has moderate heights which starts from some meters to some thousand meters. Friends, plateau are naturally 500 to 600, or in some other case it may extend to 2 to 3,000 meters also. So here we notice that in mountain are very high from its base, but plateau are not more high, they are moderate high landform. And here is the important thing, that plateau are rich of natural resources. Natural resources means they are rich of minerals as iron, silica, gold, silver and many type of metal and non-metals also, which are useful for common being. Friends, some important plateaus name which we have already heard about, that in India there is a famous plateau, that is Deccan Plateau. Dear friends, Deccan Plateau in India is almost in triangular shape. When we will study about the specifications of India, or when we study Indian geography, then we will cover about the whole specification of India, and there we will cover it in a very brief manner. But here Deccan Plateau is situated in India and it is in triangular shape, and this plateau has not very broad base, but this plateau is very rich of high amount of minerals, and as we know that most of the coal and other metals are excavated from this plateau. So the plateau are very important for the human being. Here, dear friends, in comparison to mountains, plateau are not high rich of amount of water. All those rivers which comes from plateau, they are seasonal rivers. Friends, because the height of plateau is not more, so there is lack of ice cap. So when there is no source of water, then those river which comes or which originates from plateau, they are seasonal. They are lack of more water. Only small amount of water is available there. But when rainy season came, these plateau store high amount of water, and the river system started in plateau's area. Friends, on the globe or on the world map, you will see that everywhere there is a presence of plateau. But here, one of the most important plateau, that is Tibetan Plateau. You have already heard about it. This plateau is known as roof of the world. The reason for calling it roof of the world is that this plateau has covered very vast area. It covers almost the area of Tibet, and the average height of Tibetan plateau is about 4,000 to 6,000 meters. And the presence of Tibetan plateau on the globe impacts on much larger area due to its presence, so we call it roof of the world. Dear friends, the third important landform is plain. Dear friends, as we know that many kinds of human civilization are germinated or originated on the river side. So why the river is so important for the human civilization? The reason is that, friends, when we study about plain, we call it that plain is any natural elevation which height is not more than approximately 200 meters. Means any natural elevation which height is not more than 200 meter and very broad base is available here, then this type of landform we will call it plain. Friends, the basic and important specification of plain is that plain is made of deposition of fertile soil. Friends, on the globe you will notice that all those plain areas what we see in present, they are the result of deposition of high fertile soil. So due to the fertility of soil and due to unevenness or they are not very irregular in shape, they are very smooth in shape, their elevation from the sea level is about 1 to 3 degree. This is very small elevation from the sea level, so they looks like a straight line or a very plain surface. So due to this reason, the plain areas are very thick in population. They are very thick of population. Plains are very useful for the cultivation. They are very useful for human settlement. They are useful for transportation and many other things they are useful. Friends, for the formation of plain, here we will see a small brief about the formation of plain. Suppose there is a river. So when river flows, it carries high amount of fertile soil. When any kind of burden or hurdle available here, then this river deposits its soil on its bank or on its outer side. Then due to this reason, high amount of fertile soil is situated on its bank side. Then this area becomes very fertile and useful for human settlement. So due to this reason, high concentration of human settlement is found here. You have already noticed in Indian map that most of the river which flows in North India, such as Ganga, Yamuna, Gomati, Gandak, Kosi and many other rivers which flows on the north side of India, they create huge area of plain. So due to this reason, in northern side we found high amount or high concentration of population. Dear friends, plains are very useful for resource availability. Plains are very useful for resource availability because due to very smooth elevation, those persons who inhabited in plainy areas, they don't want to work hard. So due to the reason is that at plainy areas resources are available easily. So in the last we will discuss about how the landforms affect the human being. Dear friends, as we know that India has a very long landmass and this landmass landform varied from place to place. Suppose in the northern side we see there is mountain, in lower northern side we see that there is high amount of plain, and in the southern side we see that there is plateau, and in coastal areas we see high fertile amount of soil. So due to the variety of soils and atmosphere, and due to the presence of different type of landform on the surface, we see the change of human settlement, and these landforms affect very much on human life. Suppose if we live in mountain areas, then we found that we suffer or we lack some those elements which are found in plain areas, or plateau areas. The survival of those persons who live in mountain areas, they suffer more for human life than plain and plateau. Again, when we come on the plain side, we see that life is much more easier than mountain side or plateau side. Here all kinds of natural resources and other resources are very much available easily, but this is not with the plateau and mountain. On thirdly, when we come on the plateau side, we see that there is lack of another resources which are found in mountain areas and plain areas. So the survival of life is quite hard than plain areas, and most of the natural resources which are found in mountain area or plain area, they are not found in plateau area. So due to the lackness and presence of some resources and landform on the surface, we see that these landform and resources impact in every way on human life. So I hope you understand the whole video. Dear friends, if you feel uncomfortable to understand any type of information or anything which I have already taught, then you may ask your question and opinion with the help of comment box. Then please leave your comment and opinion on the comment box so that I may improve myself to transact some genuine information to you all. So I hope you like the video. If you like, then please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.